Hey there everyone, welcome back to Dan Cave and welcome to another video build. Well, a video build of sorts, so it's actually a figure this time. So it's a Ninja Printz figure of Ragnar Lothbrook from the TV series Vikings. It's about 155mm tall, so it doesn't really have a scale, so it's got height 155mm. And this video is going to be a little bit different because this was brand new territory for me. I'm not a figure painter. It's not an area I've delved into, so this is really my first attempt at doing some figure painting. So there's not much point in me trying to describe what I'm doing because I don't really know. A lot of this was based off, other YouTubers, other websites on figure painting where I've cobbled together some of their techniques, tried to apply some of them myself, and paint this figure. So the video itself is probably talking about 8-9 minutes maximum. Probably a bit longer with me talking now, so probably about a 10-minute video, mainly backed with music. So have a look and see how I get on painting my first figure. So I'll come back at the end for some final thoughts, as always. we have it. That is the Ninja Printz Ragnar Lothbrook figure, 155mm tall, fully painted by me. Genuine thoughts on it. Absolutely thought the print itself was fantastic, and I absolutely loved painting it. Really enjoyed it. Very difficult process to learn. Very difficult. I found the skin tones very difficult and challenging, and you can see in the pictures as well. I mean, the pictures I don't think quite capture the skin tones the way they look in real light, which is an interesting effect to think about. I don't think they look as good as they do in real life. I think it looks better in real life. That being said, the pictures are what the pictures are, so they present exactly what I've done in terms of work. So hopefully you agree and think it's actually come out reasonably well for a first attempt at figure painting. So I do have another one from Ninja Printz, which I'll get onto at some point. But yeah, really pleased with how this one has gone together. So that being said, it's the end of the video. So thank you for watching. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to leave a comment. And if you want to support the channel, there's a Buy Me a Coffee link down below as well. So thank you all for watching and sticking with this video. And I'll see you very soon in another build of some sort. Bye for now.